Manolo, a restaurant that we've already been to a couple of times before, and the reason we're here is because the other day we were walking by and we saw that they have the biggest sandwich in the world. It's literally like this high, and we're gonna eat it. Oh yeah. Yeah, termine, ya termine.
Gracias.
Oh yeah, you can keep filming. I'm supposed to keep talking. Gracias.
One of the more embarrassing things to admit about our travels is that when we find a place we really like, we tend to come back again and again. And sometimes we feel a bit guilty because we think, oh, we should be trying more spots, but this Manolo place is so awesome, we're back here yet again. This is for certain the biggest sandwich we've ever had. I think there might be 6 layers of bread here. Can you count that for us?
Well, some are double layers, so we actually have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 slices of bread.
So the thing is, how do we actually attack the sandwich? Like, this thing is a behemoth.
I'm starting in the middle, where the avocado is located, because that's what I like in a sandwich. So I don't think I've ever eaten a sandwich with a fork and a knife before, but this is so massive and so messy that it seems like the only way.
You're already spilling it.
It's good. Oh yeah.
So I'm attempting to pick this sandwich up and maybe take a bite out of it. I don't even know how I'm gonna attack it here. Alright, so just dig in. I got it all over my face. But you know what? Went right for the egg and the avocado, and that is amazing.
So can you tell us what kind of ingredients we had in this monster sandwich?
Well, it's in a really eclectic blend. Like, there's avocado, there's chicken breast, there's hot dog. I think I tasted a little bit of sweet potato. And then you've got all the other kinds of sort of regular things you find in a sandwich, like tomatoes, lettuce, and whatnot. It is just a super loaded sandwich. If there's only one thing I could change, I think I would go with whole grain bread instead of white. Pie kind of reminds me of the Emerald City in The Wizard of Oz. I am wondering if Mr. Oz lives right on top here.
And this is what I really came for, lemon meringue pie. It's the biggest slice I have ever seen in my entire life. And lemon meringue pie is my favorite, so I'm pretty excited about this dish. I'm gonna dig in. Oh, this is impossible. This is impossible.
Got enough meringue on your
think so.
spoon?
Ready?
Pie-tastic?
Fluffy, it's like biting into a sugar cloud. It's amazing.
I'm just about to destroy the Wizard of Oz's home. He's way up top in his tower here, and I am very sorry, I just knocked it down. You're right, that is the lightest, fluffiest meringue of all time. It just dissolves as soon as you put it into your mouth. It is amazing. Oh. So that was a rather affordable meal. The sandwich, which was called the pajama sandwich, was 18 soles. That's $6. And the lemon meringue pie was 12 soles, which worked out to be $4. So we ate a lot, we shared it, and that was a really affordable meal.